You are looking at a gloomy day in the Tri-States on this Tuesday, courtesy of the Sleep Tight Weather Cam. When are we going to see sunshine, Mike?
Well, not so much today, not so much tomorrow, maybe as we head into, say, possibly Friday. How about that? Can you wait that long?
I can wait that long, yeah.
We've got some clouds, we've got some dreary weather to go through, we've got some cool weather to go through. As we head on into the rest of the work week, temperatures are going to be well below average. As a matter of fact, what you see is what we're going to get right there in the 50s, maybe the low 60s for some of us at points along the way as we head into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But for the most part, unseasonably chilly air right across the Tri-States. 55 degrees currently here in Quincy. Our high temperature was around 63 degrees, but it was set just after midnight. So much of the day has been spent in the 50s. We have 53 in Macomb, 55 in Fort Madison, 55 down in Hannibal. These temperatures all roughly around 15 to almost 20 degrees below average for this time of the year. Clouds and cool, that will be the rule as we go on through the next couple of days. Rain chances for tomorrow as well as on Thursday. A couple systems working their way in, coming in from the south and spreading northeastward. Rain showers will overtake the region, that is, as we head on into tomorrow and Thursday. Eventually, I think things wind down later on Friday. And then we also will be looking at some minor flooding in typical low-lying areas along the Mississippi River as we head through the next several days as well. Cloudy skies, 55 degrees at the airport. The winds, they're out of the north-northwest at 16 right now. That north-northwest flow will continue across the region, ushering in the cool stuff for us the next several days. We do have clouds all across the Tri-States this hour, and we're going to see any rain chances for the time being push eastward. We even have some clearing skies back out over west central Missouri. Some of those will try and work their way in to the Tri-States later this evening. Call it a partly cloudy sky, if you will, as we head through the late evening hours, but more rain chances and more clouds build in by tomorrow morning, right up through the southwestern part of the Tri-States and into the Quincy area as we head through the day tomorrow, lasting through tomorrow night and on into Thursday. You can see more green shading here on the map indicating that chance for additional rain showers. It's going to be cloudy and it's going to stay unseasonably cool. Temperatures in the 50s over much of Illinois and Missouri, 62 out in Kansas City, 56 in St. Louis, 57 up in Chicago this hour. Temperatures through the evening into the overnight fall back somewhere with some of those partly cloudy skies, allowing some of the heat of the day to escape back up in the atmosphere. We'll be back around 47 degrees or so here in Quincy for an overnight low. Temperatures tomorrow, though, recover back on up into the middle and upper 50s for highs as we roll through your Wednesday with rain showers around. So 46 for a low tonight, partly to mostly cloudy skies. Winds out of the north, 5 to 15 miles an hour. For tomorrow, keep those umbrellas around. You're going to need them. 58 degrees with some rain showers and north winds, 10 to 15 miles per hour. The next several days will show temperatures each day hovering around 60 degrees until we get into Sunday. That's when temperatures will start to warm up, it looks like. We'll go with highs, in the lower 60s on Thursday, but more rain showers around. It's not going to feel that much warmer because it won't be that much warmer. Now, as we head through the day on Friday, going with the high of 59 degrees. It will be partly sunny, though, so that will be a little bit better as we head into Saturday. Low 60s, partly cloudy skies, sunny and near 70 as high pressure builds across the region, Raja, on Sunday. It'll sponsor a pretty day, I think, of weather, and that will be nice. And then we warm it up from there early into next week into the 70s again. But for the time being, keep the umbrellas around and get ready for the jacket weather because it's going to continue all the way on into Friday and Saturday.
All right, thanks, Mike.